Hi sisters! Today we're going to create a flawless makeup look. This look is perfect for every day. It will make you look and feel amazing. We want our makeup to last. We also want our skin to look radiant. This means our skin will have a healthy glow. Are you ready? Let's get started. Primer is our first step. Primer is important for a smooth makeup application. It helps to fill in pores. It creates an even surface. Apply a small amount of primer. Use your fingers to spread it evenly. Focus on the center of your face. This is where your pores are usually larger. Foundation comes next. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone. It's important to test the foundation. Check it on your jawline to get the best match. We'll use a brush to apply the foundation. Put some foundation on the back of your hand. Dip your brush into the foundation. Now gently dot the foundation all over your face. Then we'll use a damp beauty blender. Bounce the blender on your skin. This blends the foundation seamlessly. Your skin will look flawless. Concealer brightens up the face. It also hides any imperfections. Apply concealer under your eyes. Use a triangular shape for the best coverage. You can also use concealer on any blemishes. Just dab a small amount on the area. Blend it out gently with your finger or a small brush. Section 5. Setting the look powder power. Setting powder is essential. It locks in your makeup. It also helps control oil and shine. Use a large, fluffy brush to apply the powder. Apply it all over your face. Focus on your T-zone. This is where you usually get oily. Section 6. Bronzed and beautiful. Adding warmth. Bronzer adds warmth to the face. It also gives you a healthy glow. Use a fluffy brush to apply bronzer. Apply it to the hollows of your cheeks. Also apply it along your hairline and jawline. This creates a natural-looking shadow. Section 7. Highlight and glow. The final touch. Highlighter adds a beautiful glow. Apply it to the high points of your face. This includes your cheekbones, brow bones, and the tip of your nose. You can use a fan brush or your finger to apply highlighter. A little goes a long way. Section 8. Conclusion. Embrace your radiance. There you have it, sisters. Our flawless makeup routine is complete. With these simple steps, you'll achieve a radiant look that lasts all day. Remember, makeup is about enhancing your natural beauty. So go out there and shine.